What's up, hackers? Welcome back to CTF Tricks, your go-to stop for breaking down the most complex labs into simple wins. We are continuing our journey through Advent of Cyber, the ultimate 24-day marathon hosted by TryHackMe. Whether you are a total beginner or a seasoned pro, these daily challenges cover the hottest topics in the industry. Today we are diving deep into the digital crime scene with Registry Forensics. And our lab name is Forensics, Registry Furensics. So I've already got our target Linux machine fired up. Today we aren't just looking at files, we are looking at the brain of Windows OS, the registry. In the bottom left corner, you will see the green Registry Explorer um, in the Windows OS. Let's fire that up and get to work. Alright, so it's up. So first mission is analyze registry hives from the compromised system. These hives are essentially snapshots of the system configuration. I've got a folder on the desktop labeled registry hives. To get started, go to file and then load hive in the registry explorer. Navigate to the desktop icon and open the registry hives folder. As a start, let's grab the system hive first. I'll select the system hive and I'll press the shift button on my keyboard and click on open. Now if you see a dirty hive detected or any error message, don't panic. It just means the system didn't shut down cleanly. Click yes or OK to replay the transaction logs and hit OK like to load it. And boom, we are in. Our first objective is simple. What is the computer name? To find this, we'll look at the system hive. And this hive is the source of truth for how hardware and OS interact. So navigate to the control set 001 and control and computer name. So I'll go to this control set 001, control and computer name. Look at the value over here. It says dispatch servers v01. That isn't just a label, it's a core networking configuration used for booting. First question solved. Next up, what application was installed right before the chaos started? For this, we need the software hive. Think of this as the master database for every app on the machine. So let's go ahead and load up the software hive. I'll unload all hives for now and move on to load the software hive. I'll click on load hive. I'll select the software. While pressing shift, I'll click on open. I'll press OK to load the software hive. So in order to find which application was installed right before the chaos started, we need to head towards the uninstall key. Why? Because Windows uses this to populate the add or remove programs list. It's a gold mine for forensic investigators because it records the exact install date, update date, etc. for softwares. So by clicking Microsoft, then hovering going directly to Windows, which is at the right bottom, then current version, and then scroll down to find uninstall. Awesome. So we want to find the program that was most currently installed in our machine. So I'll just sort it by a timestamp in descending order. This is in ascending order, as you see, 705, then 408. I'll sort it in descending order, go to the very top, and yay, we found our program. It says Drone Manager Updater. Awesome. So let's click on that. We cannot copy. So let's go back to TryHackMe and type it over here. Drone Manager Updater. And click on check. Yay, we solved the first problem. Next is, what is the full path where the user launched the application found in question 1 from? Now let's get personal. For this, we load the anti-user.dat file, which is the data file. So again, I'll unload all hives to remove this hive from here. You can just continue with the hives in place as well. You just don't need to remove every time. I am doing that for clarity purposes. I'll go to anti-user.data and while clicking shift, I'll click on open. So unlike the system-wide hives, this one is unique to the user. Humans are creatures of habit and Windows tracks the habit via user assist. I'll hit the magnifying glass icon to search for drone once I get to the right user assist section. So I'll just search user assist, user assist, and click on that. And on the right hand side, you see a magnifying glass which we can use to find specific things. We already know that drone manager is the malicious file. So we just search for drone manager and we see this exact output, that this was the application that is responsible for whatever is happening with our target PC. So I'll just copy it. I'm not sure if we can copy, but let's type it down. It's in C users, then dispatch.admin, then downloads, admin, downloads, and then the file name is drone manager underscore setup.exe. So drone manager, sorry for that, underscore setup.exe, and click on check. Awesome, we got the second flag. Now moving on to the third one, the final boss level. So how does the malware stay alive? We are looking for persistence. The question is, which value was added by the application to maintain persistence on startup? So for that, I'll load the software hive once again. I'll unload all hives, click yes. I'll go to load hive. I'll go to select software, and while clicking on shift, I'll click on open and click OK. So while it's loading, to maintain persistence, software needs to modify the run. So once it loads, I'll go ahead directly to run and check what edits have been made over there. Let's go to available bookmarks and search for run over here. It will be easier to find. Awesome, we got it. So in C users administrator desktop registry hive software, the run is there. And in run, we see there are two softwares. One is security health, one is drone helper. We already know that drone helper is the culprit for us. So in values, we see we have this value of C program files drone manager drone helper -fn background. So that is the command that our drone helper is using to maintain persistence. So let's type it down. C colon backslash program files backslash drone manager drone helper.exe drone manager drone helper.exe and then a closing double quotes and then hyphen background. Awesome. So let's click on check and let's get it rolling. And yay, we read the final flag. So this command ensured that the app starts every single time the computer booted up. So this is persistence identified. Let's click on check. You did it. Forensics Registry Forensics is complete. And that is how you dissect a Windows registry like a pro. If you found this walkthrough helpful, smash the like button and hit subscribe to join the CTF Tricks squad. We are dropping fresh content every single day of advent of cyber. So don't miss out. Until next time, keep hacking, keep practicing. Peace.